Maraming coaches na tingin ko are very capable of running the program of the national team. Wag na yung kukuha lang tayo just to patch things. We don't expect too much dito sa campaign natin in the Asian Games because I think too late, very short window of preparation if ever meron man. Yung expectations natin, i-limit lang natin. For the future, I think yung stepping aside ni Coach Chot Reyes should pave the way for the SBP to finally look for a full-time coach, full-time program director to run the men's national team. No? I think lessons learned na. No? Maraming coaches na tingin ko are very capable of running the program of the national team. And it's up to the SBP to make the most out of this situation. No? Wag na yung kukuha lang tayo just to patch things dun sa kung ano mang butas yung naiwan ng pag-step aside ni Coach Chot Reyes. Think of the future. Alalahanin natin next year, sali tayo in the Olympic qualifying tournament. So, kailangan paghandaan uli natin yan. And I think yung mga pre-World Cup qualifiers magsisimula na rin by next year. And hindi na tayo host ng susunod na World Cup. So, kumbaga, back to reality tayo na makikipag-compete tayo sa qualifiers. As for the players, sana mag-ano na rin sila ngayon pa lang ng pool of players. Kung kaya ng 30 o 40 players, baka pwedeng i-name na yung mga yan. Kumbaga magkaroon tayo ng layer. 12, 24, 48 na players. Kumbaga veterans, young ones, pababa ng pababa. So, pag hindi available yung mga nasa taas, hugot ka lang ng hugot sa baba. No? I think that has been the program even before. Hindi naman nagbago yan eh. Time pa ni Ron Jacobs, time ni Raiko Toroman, time ni Tab Baldwin, ganyan na rin naman yung ginagawa natin eh. So, why not i-continue natin yung program na yon, i-widen lang natin yung pool and conforme na yun sa whoever coach and program director the SBP will appoint.